Ministry of the Baptist Congress of Christian Education, the BCCE. And I'm joining you today. I'm joining you today because recently I was able to take a road trip to the great state of Ohio. And on my road trip, I definitely had to stop at the rest stops to get gas and, do what you got to do at the rest stop. And what I saw at a lot of the rest stops was that people were always gathered around the phone charging stations. There were even more people at the phone charging station than the ladies' bathroom. Can you believe that? And so the people would be around the station, and because they needed to keep their phones charged, because their phone has their lifeline on it. It has all their data, their pictures, their videos, personal information. So people didn't want to lose their charge. Well, it's the same way with Christian education. We sometimes need a charge. We pour out every week into the parishioners of our different churches. We study, we prepare, we get our lessons ready, and we deal with the parishioners every Sunday, Wednesday night Bible study, Tuesday night, whatever the case may be. We're always pouring out. We're like God's cell phone data plan. And we put his data out to the people. So, the Baptist Congress of Christian Education, what do we have? Well, coming September 28th and 29th, we have a recharge weekend. And this is for all Christian educators, Bible study leaders, church school leaders, Christian education leaders. If you teach your kids the 66 books of the Bible at the kitchen table, this is for you. Come on out, join us for food, fellowship, and fun, as different ministers from across the state and the great city of Baltimore would join us to pour into Christian educators and refill us and recharge us. So on September 28th, 29th, come on out. You can find us on Facebook. You can see us at different BCC events. You can watch the mailer, or you can call me directly, Vincent Carter, at 410-365-1877. So come on out. Be revived, recharged, refreshed, and come on out and join it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I need your charger. Can I please use it?
Girl, stop.
I'm out of juice.
Girl, you need to stop. You need my charger?
Yeah, hold on. What are we doing? Are we filming?
Yes.
Wait.
Yes.
What's going on? 2018 Christian Educators Recharge.
Are you an educator?
I am, and I think I need to be revived.
Oh, well, come on out and join us. We'd love to see your face in the place.
I'll be there. Count me in. You need to register today. Don't meet me there. Beat me there.
All right.